From violent storms and sudden earthquakes to rare natural wonders, these unbelievable nature moments reveal how powerful and unpredictable our planet truly is. Every scene is real, unscripted, and captured at the perfect moment. Now let's begin with today's incredible footage. Tropical cyclone. Freddie made landfall in Malawi, triggering severe landslides in the city of Blantyre. During extreme weather events, moving to safer areas is critical for personal safety. Heavy snowfall is covering northeastern Colorado, severely reducing visibility on major highways. Under these conditions, authorities advise drivers to slow down and maintain a safe following distance. A massive African rock python slowly crossed the road before disappearing into a pothole. These snakes are powerful, but typically avoid human contact when left undisturbed. Tornadoes can form with little warning. In this clip, a truck is overturned within seconds, illustrating the destructive power of extreme winds. Near the Rocky Mountains in Canada, climbers witnessed a powerful avalanche cascading down the slope. In mountainous regions, proper preparation and constant awareness are essential for safety.
Oh! I don't know. Where's the bus? Oh my god.
Lake Michigan appeared frozen in time with shimmering ice formations reflecting sunlight across the surface. Frequent lightning strikes illuminated a parking area in Ecuador. Fortunately, no one was nearby, as lightning remains one of the most dangerous weather hazards worldwide.
Recording live in the backyard. Oh, I caught that on camera. Holy.
In a matter of seconds, an earthquake caused a structure in Mirpur to collapse. While no injuries were reported, the incident serves as a serious reminder of the immense power released during seismic events. Moments like this remind us how quickly natural conditions can change sometimes within just a few seconds. A powerful thunderstorm with intense lightning struck near residential areas in northern New South Wales. Lightning is one of nature's most dangerous hazards, and staying indoors away from metal objects remains the safest option. In Argentina, lightning illuminated the stormy sky in rapid succession. Scientists explain that lightning forms when electrical charges within storm clouds build up and suddenly discharge. In Alberta, car windows shattered during a severe hailstorm. Large hail can cause significant damage, and seeking shelter when storms approach is strongly recommended. From the perspective of the International Space Station, auroras glow like luminous ribbons surrounding the planet. Dropping a simple piece of fabric into a deep shaft demonstrates how air pressure differences can create unexpected motion and effect that can be explained by basic physics. In Greater Birmingham, sudden flooding submerged a section of highway. Severe flooding in Newfoundland swept away homes and personal property, leaving widespread destruction behind. Floodwaters can rise rapidly, especially in coastal and low-lying regions, amplifying the damage to communities. A sudden storm rolled in, sending thick clouds of dust across the area. The entire sequence was captured on camera, illustrating how quickly weather conditions can change. The baobab is often called the tree of life, and for good reason. Above Fairbanks, the sky glows with vivid green light as auroras illuminate the night. This natural display occurs when solar particles interact with Earth's magnetic field.
Wow!
This is Phronima sedentaria, a deep-sea amphipod known for its unusual appearance and behaviour. As waves crash into the shoreline sea, foam spreads across the surface, creating a striking white landscape. While visually surprising, this is a natural result of rough marine conditions. At Fairfax Station in Virginia, a sudden hailstorm struck with intensity. Security cameras captured the brief but chaotic scene as ice fell without warning. Millions of sheet-web spiders created this unusual natural phenomenon while escaping floodwaters in Australia. An intense hunting moment unfolds in the wild, showcasing the spider's remarkable speed and precision. The spectacular glaciers of Kazakhstan come into view, including the Bogdanovich Glacier on the northern slopes of the Trans-Ili-Alatau Range. In Juneau, an entire house collapsed into the Mendenhall River and was carried away by fast-moving water. Erosion and rising water levels can severely undermine foundations near riverbanks. A sudden dust storm disrupted a cultural festival in Brittany, briefly throwing the scene into chaos. Strong winds can lift loose soil into the air, sharply reducing visibility in seconds. Within seconds, a powerful earthquake shook Crete, sending shelves toppling and objects crashing to the floor. Earthquakes often strike without warning, highlighting the importance of preparedness. Severe storms swept through the region, causing a ceiling to collapse as heavy rain and strong winds battered the structure. After a winter storm, Port Stanley's pier was transformed by natural ice sculptures. Wind waves and freezing temperatures combined to shape these temporary formations. A line of sheep moves steadily across the valley, creating a peaceful and timeless scene. Such moments highlight the quiet rhythms of life shaped by nature.
Le vrai danger vient pas des pieds. Le vrai danger vient plutôt des avalanches.
Fortunately, the resort below remained untouched, illustrating the narrow margin between safety and disaster in alpine regions. At Mount Taylor, the landscape appears both breathtaking and intimidating. Scenes like this remind us that while nature offers extraordinary beauty, it also demands respect and caution. A powerful snowstorm blanketed the landscape, covering everything in ice and snow. When travel is unavoidable, dressing warmly and staying alert are essential, as safety must always come first. Moments like these show how intense natural forces can be. A single lightning strike can alter a situation in an instant. Weather patterns can be unpredictable, and sudden changes like these highlight why staying informed and prepared is increasingly important. These unbelievable nature moments remind us that nature can be both breathtaking and dangerous. Awareness and preparation matter more than ever. Thank you for watching. If these real moments left an impression, like, share and subscribe to explore more of our extraordinary planet.